Hello and thank you for watching Luna 411. Today, I'm going to show you how to do your setup for the month of April. Let's go planning with me. The first thing I like to set up is my calendar. This time, I'm going to be using yellow washi tape to hold the calendar on the paper. Next, I am adding a circle in the center of the page using my black marker. Next, I'm going to be adding stickers of all different kinds of birds that we see in the spring. After I finish placing the birds in the circle, now I'm going to add an inspirational quote. This is going to help me keep inspired to use my journal the whole month. This month, I'm going to try using a new spread called the Rapid Log Sheet. This is to help me write down anything that comes to mind when I am planning for my week. Next, I'm going to set up my future log. This is going to help me write out any plans, notes, or to-do list that I have to do for the following month. On the next page, I will be tracking my habits. This is a first for me because I don't like keeping track of this stuff, but it really does help you to know what is your water intake, how long did you exercise, did you sleep enough hours in the month, and also for me this time around, I'm going to be trying to list any books that I am reading for the month of April. Here, I'm setting up my weekly log for the dates of April 1st through April 7th. This is going to help me keep myself organized for the week, and you notice that I have set it up a little bit differently than before. This is my weekly spread that I am doing in order to keep myself organized. I am adding some stickers to remind me of my to-do, the different tasks that I can add on every day, and next, I'm only adding enough space between every day so that I don't book too many things on one day. I'm also adding a space for Saturday and Sunday because these dates, even though they're not so busy, I want to be able to write some activities. Of course, don't forget the stickers for the birds, and now that completes the theme for this particular weekly spread. Finally, here's the overview. First, we did the Think Positive quote. We added the Rapid Log, the Future Log so we can track our plans, my habit tracker for the water, exercise, sleep, and the books. And finally, we have the weekly spread again for April 1st and through the 7th. I completed this list making sure that we kept with the theme of the yellow washi tape, the stickers, and also the birds. I hope you enjoyed planning with me, and remember, tag me on Instagram and Facebook at Luna411now. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.